Welcome to Cooking For You. Today let's make Kerala style fish pickle. Isn't it? You have heard about chicken pickle, mutton pickle, but today we are going to make Kerala style fish pickle. Let's check what are the ingredients to go with. For fish pickle, we need the ingredients are tuna fish, turmeric powder, pepper powder, Kashmiri lal mirch, salt, ginger garlic paste, oil, ginger raw, garlic raw, green chilies, curry leaves and vinegar. So let's begin making the Kerala style fish pickle. Step 1, marinating. So in a bowl, we are taking tuna 1 kg. This is boneless. And now we are adding turmeric powder to it. And add pepper powder. And now add Kashmiri lal mirch to it. Now adding salt to taste. Add ginger garlic paste. And now mix all the spices to the tuna thoroughly. Make sure that each and every piece to be coated. So now we'll marinate it for 1 hour. And now we'll start frying in hot pan, add oil and put the tuna pieces into the hot oil. Do not put all the tuna together into the oil. Take each piece as shown in the video and follow the procedure. Now fry the tuna until the pieces are hard. As everybody knows, the fish is a very soft product, so fry it until the fish gets hard. So once the meat get hard, we can store it along for up to 6 months to 8 months. Now the fish has been hardened, so we are just taking into a separate plate. You can see the fish was so bludged, now these have become so small pieces. Like I said you, the fish is so hard now. We have stained up all the oil. There is no oil left in the fish, and taking into a separate tissue where oil will get absorbed. Now in the same oil, we'll add mustard seeds, and now we are adding chopped ginger and adding chopped garlic. And now here we are using the small chopped green chilies. Now we are adding curry leaves to it. Mix all the vegetables and the ingredients thoroughly. Put a pinch of turmeric powder, chili powder 1.5 spoons. If you like more spicy, add some more. Add Kashmiri Lal Mirchi powder for the best colors. Stir in the oil till the raw smell of all the spices goes away. And now add fenugreek powder. And here we are adding a pinch of asafoetida. If you like, you add it, or else you can skip it. Now add salt to taste. You can see the gravy for the pickle is looking so gorgeous and yet spicy. Now add the fried pieces, tuna pieces, to the oil. And mix all together thoroughly. Wow, this is looking yummy right now. You can see how perfectly the dish is ready. Serve it with hot rice and that's it. Finger licking dish is ready. rich fish pickle is ready. Whenever you're feeling like to eat with hot rice, just use this pickle and enjoy your meals. So for more such videos, make sure to like our channel, subscribe our channel and give it a share. Thank you.